the war in Ukraine, macroeconomic headwinds, Q1 was another incredible quarter. The metrics certainly back that up. Nights and experiences topped 100 million for the first time. That exceeds pre-pandemic levels. Free cash flow was more than $1 billion. And the company did record a net loss in the current quarter, but they do expect to be profitable on a net income basis this year. Now, Chesky also talked about the way that people are increasingly using search on Airbnb, which is helping the company better match supply and demand. One of the analyst questions on the call just now was around a higher marketing and advertising spend in the past quarter. And that's really something that the company has prided itself on scaling back over the last few years. Chesky talked about this different approach than their peers, one that he says is direct or unpaid, that speaks to the consumer and kind of shifts away from traditional ad campaigns. He says that has made Airbnb a verb and a household name. And Mel, partly that's the reason that this company continues to command a higher valuation than its OTA peers. Back to you.
All right, Deirdre, thank you. Deirdre Bosa, Guy, this was the A.
Yes.
In which trade was it?
It's both the Dawn trade and it's also Dan Nathan's ARP trade. Is that correct? Did I use that properly?
It was named after you. The ARP
See, that
trade.
hurts. I know you don't think.
No, I'm stating fact. I'm not doing this out of.
Yes, because I am at that age.
Man.
No, listen, it does hurt, but that's better than the alternative, as it turns out. I like it. Listen, people will knock it on valuation. I get it. Trades at 10 times revenues. I get it. But to Deirdre's point, they're the only game in town, and they've managed to diversify themselves in a meaningful way. And they were very close to profitability here. 3-cent loss. The street was looking for 25 cents. This stock should go higher even from levels we're currently trading at.
They're expecting the same kind of growth that they saw in the first quarter in the second quarter.
Look, I actually think that this has been a very defensive stock. If you look at the mega cap tech world that it exists in, whatever you believe it is, whether it's 15 times sales or 10 times, stock's down 20% from the all-time high. That's great.
All right.